And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to plan projects with Monday.com Gantt View. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to plan projects using the Monday.com's Gantt View, first of all you need to go into the official website of Monday.com. So once you're in the Monday.com's website, you need to simply get logged in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, all you gotta do is simply set up your board. So your board will pretty much look like this. Simply start a new board and add essential columns like timeline columns and dependency columns. You can also add columns for status, people, and dates to enhance functionality. Now you need to generate the Gantt view. Simply add a view, select Gantt, and configure your Gantt chart. Customize settings like set timeframes, group items, labels, and input your project data. After this, you can simply manage and track your projects, and this is how you can simply plan project with Monday.com's Gantt View. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.